Hey guys, this is Katie Odell, and this is my website called Toe Beans and Stolen Things. This is a website that I created based around my two cats. I have two animals. Their names are Nakia and Tallulah. They are actually sisters, and we got them at different times over the past year. And what I've really learned from them is they have a very interesting way of bringing entertainment into our lives, and they just are really interesting creatures. And so because of that, I wanted to create a website in which I could be able to showcase their stories. So this is my main page, and I tell a little bit about how I got both Nakia and Tallulah. In some of my stories, I will refer to them as Judith and Luann, so I talk about that on here. And then you just go down to the end and it shows you some of my upcoming stories, two of which I've already posted and another one that I am working on. If you come here to my next page, this just says why I created this website. And really the reason I created this website is because just like we as humans have stories, I believe animals have stories too. And I feel like my experiences with my cats is their story and what they have to share. And so I am uploading these stories as a way of being able to showcase that. If you come to this next link here, it's going to take you to my stories section. And this, as funny as it sounds, was probably one of my biggest struggles, was really putting these stories out there in a way that sounded like me. But I really feel like having this website and this place where I can kind of just talk has really created a writer in me that I didn't think I really had. This right here is a picture of Nakia. And I talk in my stories about personal space and how they just don't listen, and it's really fun to follow along with. If you come to this next page here, we've got our Contact Us section, and I really think it's fun to interact with people and to be able to talk about our different experiences and how they are similar or different. And so I wanted to create a space in which people can come on and really talk about that. The next one is the store section, which was another spot I think that was difficult for me because I didn't really think that I would want to continue my site, but I'm realizing now that I do. And I'm a big sticker person. And so once I realized, hey, I want to continue this website, I knew that stickers was what I was going to create. And you can also see over here my little section about me, and another way in which people can subscribe to the blog. So I've just really enjoyed this website and being able to showcase it, and really be able to develop my love for storytelling, but also my love for just creating content. So I hope you like it too.